Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to clear your matches on Bumble dating app. So, first of all, locate your Bumble dating app on your device and tap to open it. Now you will be directed to the homepage of Bumble app. Click on the chat icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. On the top of your screen, you can see your matches. Click on the matches you want to clear. Now you will be directed to chat with your match. Click on the icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, two options will appear. You can unmatch or you can unmatch and report. Simply click on any option you want. After clicking on unmatched, you will be asked to confirm your actions. Click on unmatched again. And that's it. Now you have successfully cleared your match on Bumble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.